Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Braids up underscore Harmony, back with another video. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial today. We did not plan on videoing this here, even though this style was my first attempt, my first time trying this style on Kishma. This was done for her graduation picture. Big up yourself, Kishma. And big up your nice clean mother Susie. Guys, please excuse my voice. I'm a little bit hoarse from shouting a lot, I guess. But guys, as I said earlier, this video is not a tutorial. This is just for you to know, be on that journey, just to see how I really achieved this simple look. Simple but, you know, different look. This hairstyle was a bit different from everyone's here at her graduation, and to be honest, I'm really proud of it. Now guys, before you go any further, please, if you look down below and you notice that your subscription button is on red, that simply means you haven't already subscribed. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more hair tutorials, more vlogs, more how-to videos, more cooking videos, more nature videos. This is the family to be a part of. So click that subscription button, click that notification bell so you won't miss a video once I post, and please go ahead, like, share, and drop a comment. Tell me what you liked most about this hairstyle, and tell me if you'd like to send me a particular braiding hairstyle for me to try on someone. Guys, please continue to watch the rest of the video and enjoy.
What are you looking for? Yeah. She is? Yeah. And the fact that her hair is being well combed. Look. What do you think about it? You're not ball. You're not cry. Madness turn up.